brownie crust, baker's chocolate, and the famous frosting on top.
Hey, Jesse, did you find anything back there?
I'm not done digging in the back of your pantry yet.
She just got her driver's license.
I bet Captain Breadhook will loan me her spaceship in the meantime anyway. Bungledorf stole my spaceship and then she crashed it. This is fine. Totally flyable. Just a few bumps. The brownie bottom is what we're making first. Melt those together. Mix in everything until you get to the eggs. Whisk those in really fast so they don't have a chance to cook. Then a cup of flour. Spray your pan with baking spray with flour first. Bake for 25 minutes. At the end, place a roasting pan of hot water in there. We need a moist oven. Spoopy! We villains stick together! If we went on a cosmic treasure quest, I'd throw you into a space blender! Team bonding! Love it! You need your cream cheese and eggs to be at room temperature so you don't get lumps when you mix them together. This is the safest and fastest way. As warm as your dishwater, and they're ready in like 10 minutes. Look how mushy they are. Add in your sugar and vanilla extract and beat these smooth. We scrape the bowl pretty much every time we add something. We don't want to find a lump later when it's hard to get rid of. No, you can kind of pinch them, I guess. Cadets! Line up! Snap to attention! Sweetness without structure is chaos. Yes, sir, Whisk Commander, sir. Ow! But also, yes, sir. Absolutely, sir. Add in your eggs one at a time. Then your melted and cooled Baker's sweet chocolate. We use Baker's chocolate because the German cake was named after the inventor. His name was German, and he worked for Baker's Chocolate. We should get paid from Baker's Chocolate for this one. Precision, poise, peak, stiff peaks. We rise, we do not sag. Victory requires discipline and fabulous posture. Note to self, posture equals pastry power. Oh, he's like a souffle Napoleon. We like to melt our chocolate in a double boiler. That's just a pot over boiling water. It's the gentle way to melt chocolate. And bake for 55 to 60 minutes. It'll puff up high over the rim and feel dry on top. It'll also jiggle a little too. Cadet Barkus! Cadet Dorcas! You two baked me into existence with brilliance, but brilliance must be trained. No mess, just clean training. He sparkles like a parade float with an attitude. If he starts assigning homework drills, I'm gonna pass out. Oh, don't pass out. The famous frosting is super easy. Melt sugar, heavy cream, butter, and an egg until it's nice and thick, or about 160 degrees. Don't go over or your proteins could split. Add in flaked coconut and pecans and pour it into the pool on top.
First order of business. Strategy session.
Strategy session.
Objective, cosmic bottle acquisition.
Strategy session.
Ooh,
Yeah, just like that. We already almost got it. Then it flew away. It was dramatic and very sparkly. We decorated it with a small batch of shiny ganache. All you do is melt chocolate with cream and add corn syrup. We put the recipe in the description along with everything else. Just Control A, Control C, Control V. Kind of funny we knew that. Just like that. We did get some power though. And now we have a meringue major war commander dessert general glitter king?
correct. Rank, major meringue. Specialty, whipped combat and tactical whimsy.